Hey there. Are you tired of spending hours searching the internet for answers to your questions? Well, look no further. ChatGPT is here to save the day. With its advanced technology, you can get instant answers to your questions without wasting any time. Whether you're looking for help with schoolwork or just need some advice on life, ChatGPT has got your back. It's so easy, even a child could do it. Just type your question into the chat box and let ChatGPT do the rest. It's like having your own personal assistant, but without the expensive salary. And the best part, ChatGPT is available 24/7, so you can get the answers you need, whenever you need them. No matter what your interests are, ChatGPT has got you covered. From sports to movies to music, ChatGPT can provide you with the answers you need to stay on top of your game. It's like having your own personal Wikipedia, but without the boring articles. Seriously, give it a try. You won't be disappointed. ChatGPT is the future of information, and you don't want to be left behind. So, go ahead, ask ChatGPT anything. You'll be amazed at what it can do. Hope you liked this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Bye.